So this is the basic way of making cables. So usually I put a marker every time I need to make a cable. So here I have 8 rows and I placed a marker, a stitch marker, where I did the turn, and then I count 8 more, and this is where I'm going to be doing my next. So for cables you can use anything. You can use a crochet hook or double pointed needles or a cable needle or a pencil or even a toothpick. Just make sure that it's nice and smooth. Very important to determine if you want your cable to go this way or this way. So I'm going to show you this way, and let's work until where we get there. So I'm doing it. And I usually use 1 or 2 pearls on each side of the cable so that it helps me, helps the cable stand out. So I do 2 pearls. And this is where I want my cable to be. And I want the right side to go over the left side. So I'm going to place 3 stitches on my toothpick, put it in the front, knit the next 3, 1, 2, 3, bring back those 3 and knit them from your toothpick, and now you can continue with the rest of your knit. This went away. Okay, so I purl 2 and I do knit, purl, and knit. And now the next row you do is what your yarn calls for. So now I'm going to place my marker on that last stitch row, so right in there, so I know that I need to count 8 rows from here. And now I have my cable. I want my cable to go this way. I'm going to do the same thing, but bringing it to the back. So knit, purl, knit, purl 2 stitches, and now I'm going to pick up the next 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3, and leave them in the back. So I'm holding them with my fingers down back there. So now I want to knit 3, 1, 2, 3, and I want to bring those 3 stitches so that I can knit them. So that's 1, 2, and 3. And now I can continue with my knit. Thank you for watching. Share us with your friends and like our page and subscribe. Thank you.